Morning, toots.
Wow, why do I look like this in the morning? Good morning.
I know. Today is the day.
I have to leave.
Yeah.
Hello.
Am I in your way or something, Ken?
Yes, you're in my way of my life. You're not letting me go beyond what I want to dream of.
Say hello.
Does he smile?
Because we have the same pants.
What's Under Armour?
I'm bored.
Splendid underwear, right?
Yes.
Okay, I want to know who did a smiley face. Who did that?
Snickers.
Yeah.
Clara, why'd you do
It was just a coincidence.
I said I want pizza.
I want pizza. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. It is very good for you. Come on, Snicks.
Goodbye, Meredith.
Goodbye.
Bye, Clara. Love you.
Goodbye. Tell your little friends I'll pick them up at 8. I will. Is that Haley's comment?
That's what we are saying. That's our saying.
Guys, our saying is
Add it to the list, okay? Add it to the list, Ellie. Great.
Tug, tug, bye.
Bye. Bye. That's a new one.
Adios, avocados. See you in Enchantia.
Well, so the cousins just left. Mom and Desi went to the store, and me and Snickers just went for a run. And now we're just hanging out. I think later we're going to the pool, and we're just gonna hang out and chill. I'm gonna eat you. Woo, nice start. Uh-oh. I got it. Don't worry. Oh, ready? Out. Out.
Whatever you cook up, whatever you get out, we'll just cook it up.
That is disgusting, Mom. Do you want me to chop this up or you got it?
I got it.
Look at little Mother Meredith.
Oh.
Bundle up. What are you doing, Everett? Right here. Say hi! Everett!
She's gonna get your armpit.
Diggy, 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 diggy.
She's gonna get your armpit.
Got it. It's mine. Ready?
No.
Okay, so change of plans. Now we were just walking up to the pool, and now we decided that we're going to the beach. So we're getting ready, and we're gonna head to the beach.
Knuckles.
Pound it.
Yeah, we did it together.
High fives. High fives. Not fist. High five. Everett. Can we hold hands? Ready? Everett.
I don't.
Hold hands.
I'll pick you.
I'm gonna get you.
You gonna sit with me?
They got something stuck. Where's that?
500.
All right, we made it to the beach.
It's not the beach.
Yes, it is, Clara.
I don't see any suckers.
What? Everett!
Waves.
They got the red flags up, right?
So that's a no-no? Yeah, it's a cross out.
Yeah, there really is a turtle digging right here.
Okay, so it's super windy and we're about to leave. We're going to Ron John Surf Shop. Mom lost her shoes. Tell him, Dan. She left them on the beach. They're still they're gone now. So now we're playing shoe shuffle. I'm wearing Desi's shoes. She's wearing my shoes. Desi's wearing Brian's shoes. Yeah.
Launch it.
Evan!
Launch it. Long way. Hey.
So now we're going to dinner, but it's a super long wait, or there looks like a line, so I don't know. Mom went to go check it out. And
It is a Disney one, huh? You're seeing Titanic.
Look, Everett!
Going up in the air.
Yeah.